Correct management of production processes by properly controlling both resources and equipment is key to providing added value to any manufacturing activities, both in economic and qualitative terms. Such insight into the production process can allow factories to have an all-around vision for all off-machines activities and to achieve the final goal of effective control. TP32 is the Elbo Controlli Nikken solution that can facilitate management of all these activities, making them communicate more efficiently with each other and whilst also optimizing the use of resources. TP32 is integrated with the most popular CAD/CAM software. TP32 provides programmers with live date for the tooling currently available for the machining process, and the CAD/CAM software integrates TP32 with the tooling lists required for the manufacture of the parts. TP32 knows in real time the current availability and location of all tooling within the entire workshop. This allows programmers and planners to optimize the preparation time of the tooling required for the current order or process, whether they are in storage or currently within a machine tool carousel. TP32 outputs for the operator or automatic storage system a picking list of all parts and materials required for the assembly of the tools based on the tool list received from the CAD/CAM system. TP32 records all movement, updates stock, checks short any falls in available stock, and provides a full report for the control and management of the costs. The natural interfacing of our TP32 software with Elbo Controlli Nikken presetters, equipped with the tool identification through QR code, allows the management of all the presetting operations, the registration of tool offsets, and the automatic transfer of all managed tool parameters directly to the numerical control. The whole transfer process of tool data to the numerical control is automatically managed by Elbo Controlli Nikken's TID application, which exports the parameters to the numerical control and returns them end of processing, so any changes or updates are logged within the database. All checked, recorded, and without the possibility of error. Planning, managing, recording, and checking are the basis for both maintaining your processes and controlling quality. All provided as standard with the TP32 and Elbo Controlli Nikken.